In this video, we'll create a wiring list within the design to manufacturing software, which is used in production with nVent's panel shop automation machine, the Personal Wiring Assistant or PWA. Compared to traditional wiring methods, the Personal Wiring Assistant delivers the right wire when you need it in a fraction of the time. Instead of workers spending hours prepping wire for installation, automated wire prep can now be done at the same time as install, saving time and money. The PWA 5000 fully automates the cutting to length, stripping, crimping, marking, and bundling of the wires, boosting productivity and ensuring consistent and precise quality. After completing the design for a project in DTM panel and updating the project version, it can be imported into the DTM SQLite database, which enables report generation. Choosing an output type of PWA, the output report will be generated as a Microsoft Excel file containing the routing information for each wire in the project. The generated wiring list can now be transferred to the PWA, which will use the wire size, color, ferrule type, and length information to produce bundles of processed wire.